Can you imagine waiting months for a phone, only to find out it might never be released in your country? That's what's happening right now with Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge. It was supposed to be one of the brand's biggest launches this year. First, people thought it would drop on April 15. Then came a new date, May 13. And now, it might not launch globally at all. Reports say Samsung is planning to release the phone only in South Korea and China for now. This update comes from a well-known tipster, Ice Universe, who has a solid track record when it comes to Samsung leaks. If he's right, the Galaxy S25 Edge won't make it to the United States, Europe, or any other major regions in the near future. That's a huge shift from earlier plans. Back in January, leaks pointed to a much wider release. At that time, insiders believed the phone would roll out in 39 countries. Places like the United Kingdom, France, India, Brazil, Mexico, and Australia were all on the list. So what changed? There's no official answer from Samsung yet, but some insiders think the delay might be tied to production challenges or technical problems. Maybe the phone isn't quite ready for a large-scale launch, or maybe Samsung wants to test the market quietly before going all in. Either way, it's a disappointment for fans who are excited to try this stylish, slim device. That said, there's still a chance the S25 Edge could reach other markets later, maybe by June. But until then, everything is uncertain. For those hoping to get their hands on it soon, it might be a long wait, unless you live in one of the two confirmed countries. If the phone does make it to Europe, pricing details have already leaked. According to recent reports, the base version with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage will cost around 1,249 euros. That's about 1,365 US dollars. The higher-end version with 512 GB of storage will likely be priced at 1,369 euros or around 1,495 US dollars. That makes it more expensive than the Galaxy S25 Plus, though still cheaper than the S25 Ultra. But is it worth it? Well, that depends on what you care about. The Galaxy S25 Edge will reportedly come with a titanium body, and there are whispers about a possible ceramic version too. The phone will also be super slim, less than 6mm thick. Because of its size, the battery is smaller at 3,900 mAh, but Samsung likely had to make that trade-off to keep the phone so thin. Performance-wise, it's expected to run on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It will feature a 6.7-inch display and a camera setup that includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, the same one found on the Ultra model, paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. However, unlike the Ultra, it will have only 2 rear cameras and no stylus support. So if you love slim, stylish phones and don't mind giving up a few features, the S25 Edge might be a great option. But for those who want more power, better battery life, or extra camera lenses, this might not feel like the best deal, especially at that price point. Right now, Samsung seems to be playing it cautiously. Maybe they want to test how the phone performs in a smaller market before scaling up, or maybe the issues behind the scenes are more serious than we think. What about you? Would you buy the Galaxy S25 Edge if it launched in your country? Or do you think Samsung should have added more features before putting such a high price on it? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and reviews.